welcome back to G Mama's channel. G Mama out here trying to let the fire out because we started burning Saturday. It's been raining and the thing's still burning. See, G Mama's out here this morning. It's gonna rain, so I will let it go. But all that other stuff is wet, and it's gonna be hard to push the wet stuff on top of the heat part. So might as well just let it out until it dry out again. This is part of yard duty. I got some heat under there. I got to untangle my hose. Oh, got my hose. How's everybody Monday morning going? I hope everybody's morning going okay. Your mom's gonna try today, learn how to edit and everything. Trying to get my intro up. But this video right here might not be edit. I'm gonna try. Or it might be the next one. I'm gonna do my breakfast one in a little while. Your mama just wanted to come on. Yep, your mama didn't get a chance to do nothing because she had to get out here to the fire. Look at your mama. Hello. Got gnats all over me. So you know the gnats go wherever it's nice and warm. So your mama gonna say, see you later. Remember, God loves you. And so does your mama. So does your mama. So does your mama.